My role at T-Connectivity is to look for new, innovative technologies. Origin really checked a lot of those off a few years ago. We're a global manufacturer of sensors and connector products for all industries from aerospace to appliance and automotive. With the emergence of DLP, and particularly the Origin One printer, we were able to print a whole range of products that we weren't able to before, both in terms of resolution, accuracy, and new materials. Makes the business value really attractive, and we're anticipating many of our high-mix, low-volume products can be now 3D printed instead of injection molded. Where Origin One really helps us is to produce product at those low volumes that otherwise wouldn't have been attainable by injection molding. So I've never been more excited than I am right now about 3D printing. We've got the materials, we've got the speed, we've got the accuracy. Now we're on the cusp of really getting these parts into series production, and it's really exciting.